Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2023 Chevy Bolt on this vehicle. I'm going to show you where you can find your paint code match on here. So we just need to open up our door and we come right down here to the A pillar, and we have the VIN number sticker that has all the information, what date or month and year that the vehicle was made, and we have this barcode and this number right here, the 247F, that is our paint code identifier. So you'll be able to take that information and be able to get the exact match of a paint for it of your vehicle. And when you're looking for parts, if you need to, that is what you use as your paint code identifier. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.